Hi, Trifaldi. Are my audio and video clear on your end? My internet was bit company early.
Hi Nerta, yes, loud and clear. Your video is perfectly fine too. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just finished writing with the project you plan. Are you ready to jump into our discussion for the education game project?
Absolutely. I have my notes ready. We have a lot ground to cover before the final proposal submission at the end of this month.
Actually, let's get started to it. Our main objective today is to define to workline discussion the core feature and set hard deadline for our prototype. We need to work effective.
Agree, I've reviewed uh, the brief to play to our strength. I can take full responsibility for the UI design and all the front-end development that includes design the interactive quiz, the main menu, and the character animation.
That work perfect. Meanwhile, I will handle the backend architecture. I set up the Firebase database to handle user authentic or what the logic for the scoring system. Scanning the is additional game. We need to make sure the data tracking is accurate.
Sounds like a solid division. Speaking of the front end, what is our main target audience for this game? High school student or younger kids? That will completely change my color palette and UI approach.
Great question. The proposal trade junior high school student, so the design should be too chill, but I still need to be high and colorful. Also, please make sure the UI is responsible. The just mind the prototype on different screen size.
Noted. Responsive design for the junior high student. I'll use a clean, modern aesthetic. For the game flow, I'll need the storyline text to design the dialogue box properly. Have you start drafting that?
Yes, I am working on the narrative now. I will share the document via Google Doc by tomorrow afternoon. You can leave community there if any of sentences are too long to fit into your dialog box.
Will do. But before I can finalize the UI layout, I need to know, are we including including a leaderboard feature?
Yes, a simple leaderboard, just the top 10 high scores. I will build the API for that, but I need the basic quiz UI for you first to test the connected. When do you think you can deliver the front end code?
Let me check my schedule first for this week. Can finish the UI and push the code to our GitHub repository by next Tuesday. Is the timeline fast enough for you?
Next Thursday is perfect. That give me Wednesday and Thursday to integrate the backend and make sure the database communicates smoothly with your front end.
Ninerta, before we move on, I I share my project to your WhatsApp. Can you see it? I made it last night. Let me know when you can see it.
Okay, yes, it's visible now.
So the question text will be in the center card and the multiple choice button are below it. I'm planning to add a timer bar at the very top.
The layout look very clean and intuitive. I like the pasted of the bottom. Just one note, make sure the animation for the time bar are to have on the memory. When one to ensure the game does black on lower end device.
At point, I will optimize the image asset and keep the CSS animation like white. Now, how are we tracking our progress? Are we using Trello or just WhatsApp?
Let's use a Trello to keep things professional and organizing. Usually, after the meeting and invite you, we can move our text from to do to done three. Now what about the timeline for testing?
We must have a fully functional, bug-free prototype by the 20th. We need that 1 week buffer just to record the demo video and finalize the proposal document. We cannot risk any system crash during the video recording.
I completely agree. Let's schedule a joint testing session next Friday via Zoom to test the integrate. If we find any bug, we still have the weekend to fix them.
Excellent plan. So to summarize, you will send the storyline tomorrow and set up Trello. I will deliver the front end to GitHub by Tuesday. We will integrate the database by Tuesday and we do our joint testing on Friday.
Spot on, Trivaldi. We are perfect. Alike, do you have any other technical context before we wrap this up?
Nope, it's clear on my end. I'll get started on the UI mockups right away.
Thank you for time and participation today, Tiffany. Let's keep the communication open. Have a highlight productivitas day.
You too, Ginerta. See you on Friday.
See you.